Hello, in this video I will show you how to use and how to change the password of the mobile hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation will be going to the settings, finding the connections, and here we have to go to more connection settings, or mobile hotspot and tethering, and just enable this option, or you can have it disabled and enabled here. And as you can see, you can just press the password section and adjust it accordingly to our preferences, and just press save when you're done. And we're done for this video. If you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.